it's like 2, I think it's 2 p.m. Yeah, I'm going to the beach. Yes, I'm looking like this, but I'm going to shower now and maybe do a sheet mask. But there's no point because I'm going to in the sun again. And this is my outfit at home. Okay, I'm going to do a shower now. Hey guys, just showered and my skin looks so bad, so I'm going to apply a sheet mask before we head to the beach. It's already I think 2:36 or something, so we're pretty late. But the thing is that I'm wearing this red outfit which I absolutely love. Now the thing is I never ever wear like skin showing kind of clothes because I'm always in oversized clothes because I feel uncomfortable. And second is the thing is that I'm fat, so I'm like pretty conscious about like my body and stuff. But it's Goa, right? And everyone is like kind of half naked, so like it's the norm here. So like I just feel comfortable, and I would not be comfortable doing this if I was with my friends. So I'm just happy that I have no one that I like. I don't know, I feel conscious and they say things like that doesn't look good on you and stuff like that. I have said those things in the past, so I don't like really dress up like that with friends. But it will all change hopefully when I lose some weight. Anyways, that's not happening today. So we're just wearing this red dress and I'm like really in love with it. I think it looks really cute. And the thing is that it's like pretty flowy, so when the air flows it's like it's shaped like this, and which looks really good. But the skin is really bad. I don't know why. I did not even went to the beach yesterday afternoon. I went in the evening, so it's not even the sun. So I'm going to apply a sheet mask that I got back from home, and let's see if it's a little better. I bought some and kept in the fridge. Can I go? Because I'm ready here for this.